Some moves in the market are loud and some moves are quiet but powerful, and what XRP just did is one of those quiet but powerful moves that only traders who pay real attention saw coming. While most people were waiting for fear to settle, XRP simply respected its key levels and moved exactly the way the chart was signaling. This is Shah, and let us go through the entire structure step by step so you understand what is actually happening right now with XRP. XRP is currently trading around $2.24, and if you remember the previous update, we focused on one important area, which was the $2 support. I said clearly that as long as XRP holds that zone, the falling wedge is still valid and the market can give a strong reaction from there. And that is exactly what happened. XRP held the support beautifully and then pumped almost 12% straight from that zone. So congratulations to everyone who participated early and trusted the levels instead of emotions. Now, the interesting part is what happens next, because after a bounce like this, traders get excited and start thinking too far ahead. But we need to stay focused on structure, not emotions. Right now, XRP is almost touching the first mini resistance at $2.3. This is the same level that rejected price many times when the market was weak. If XRP manages to push through this mini resistance with strength, it opens the door toward the major resistance at $2.6. But before we talk about targets, we need to understand what the structure is telling us. The biggest positive signal right now is on the 1 hour time frame. On the previous update, the short-term trend was still bearish. We had lower highs and lower lows, but now that has changed completely. The bearish structure has broken, the trend has flipped, and the 1 hour time frame is showing a clear shift into a bullish structure again. This is important because structure always changes first on lower time frames before it appears on higher time frames. Another important detail is the new support zone. Earlier, everyone was watching the $2 level because it was the main confirmation point. But now that price has moved up and maintained strength, we no longer need to rely on that deeper support. As long as XRP stays above $2.11, the bullish continuation remains intact. This is the new level to watch. If the market keeps holding above it, buyers will maintain control and push the price upward again when the time is right. XRP is also moving with momentum. The reaction from the support was clean, strong, and without hesitation, which shows that buyers were waiting for this level. This kind of confident move usually leads to continuation unless the market hits unexpected resistance or emotional selling comes in. So the path forward is simple. If XRP breaks above $2.3 and holds above it with strong candles, then the next major target remains $2.6. That is the level where the bigger decision will happen. But for now, we focus on structure and support. Momentum is shifting back to the bullish side. Support is respected. Lower time frame structure has already flipped. And as long as slice stays above $2.11, the market remains in favor of bulls. If you want more detailed breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments which coin you want me to cover next.